Hey friends, welcome back. I'm thrilled to unveil my latest artwork, titled Paisley. This design is more than just some pretty swirls. It's a celebration of centuries-old artistry, which has stood the test of time. First, a little backstory. The Paisley pattern began life in Persia as the buta, a distinctive teardrop shape with a curl on top. Over time it journeyed through India's Kashmir region, where it adorned luxurious shawls, and then swept into Europe in the 18th and 19th centuries. Traders and textile lovers couldn't get enough of these intricate designs, so local weavers started reproducing them on jacquard looms. That's actually how the design picked up its English name. In Paisley, Renfrewshire, just up the road from my hometown of Stevenston, Scotland, textile mills churned out beautiful fabrics covered in these teardrop-shaped motifs. Even today, you'll spot the Paisley pattern on everything from men's ties to scarves in London to amazing textiles in Tehran, proving this pattern has global staying power. Okay, let's dive into how I brought the Paisley pattern to life on paper. Templates at the ready, I cut out 3 teardrop shapes, small, medium and large, from stiff card, so my butas would be consistent from the get-go. I lightly penciled each teardrop randomly across the page, aiming for a balanced yet organic feel. I then began filling the empty spaces with tiny abstract florals, leaves and looping filigree. This is where the design truly sparkles, like a secret garden squeezed into every nook and cranny. Using a fine black marker, I drew all the outlines, added extra details and also delicate lace-like lines inside each motif. Finally, I used coloured markers to breathe life into each buta. Warm ruby reds, hot oranges and sunny yellows danced together against a crisp white background with colourful joy. Paisley feels like a bridge between the past and the present. Ancient Persian artistry, Scottish weaving heritage, and my own modern doodle art twist. Every curve is a nod to the artisans who came before and reminds me that creativity touches all our lives. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If Paisley has inspired you, leave a comment and let me know which traditional designs inspire you. And stay tuned, there's more free art tutorials, time lapses and behind the scenes goodness coming your way. In the next video, I will share the secrets of drawing traditional Scottish domestic architecture from 1903 with simple equipment and coloured pencils. I used Photoshop's gradient map tool to create several colour variations in mere seconds, and I hope you enjoy their variety. If you enjoyed this tutorial, check out another of my tutorials called Abundance by clicking the link on the right. And if you haven't already, tap my logo on the left to subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching.